welcome to week 4 of this mindfulness series. कैसे हैं आप? So this is week 4. Wow, 21 days have already passed. अगर आपको पता हो, अगर हम किसी भी चीज़ को लगातार 21 days तक करते हैं तो वो हमारी लाइफ का हिस्सा बन जाता है. एंड अगर आप मेरे बोली हुई चीज़ें करते आ रहे हैं फ्रॉम पास्ट 21 days, so you have made mindfulness a very much part of your life. Isn't it amazing? Let's dive further into mindfulness this week. Yeah? So before I proceed further, होता क्या है mindfulness? हमें present moment में आना है और non-judgmental बनना है. लेकिन mindfulness has 3 components. One is intention. We have to set an intention to become aware. Second is attention to what is happening in the present moment, and third one is being non-judgmental. So being non-judgmental part has already been discussed. Second part is what we are going to do today, right? Which is attention to what is happening in the present moment, right? So this is the most important thing. Now before I proceed further, अगर आप इस वक्त कुछ और कर रहे हैं ना, तो I would request, if that is more important, please go and do that. And if that thing can wait for some time, so I request you to please listen to me completely and then go and continue doing whatever you were doing. Why I am saying this is for the reason that today I am focusing on one portion of the mindfulness, which is attention to what is happening right now. Let's just focus on one thing at a time. To make the most of this moment, you have to be present in this moment. Do you realize this, that this moment is what we can utilize the most? करेक्ट. हम क्या करते हैं ना, आधे से ज़्यादा टाइम हम इस मोमेंट में होते हुए भी इस मोमेंट में नहीं होते. क्यों? बिकॉज आवर माइंड इज ईदर वरिड अबाउट आवर पास्ट के बैड एक्सपीरियंसेस, और इट इज स्ट्रेसिंग अबाउट जो अभी हुआ नहीं है इन द फ्यूचर. कभी भी आपने ये रियलाइज किया है कि समटाइम्स व्हाइल यू आर ट्रैवलिंग पता ही नहीं होता कि कितने लोग आ गए, कितने लोग चले गए. समटाइम्स इफ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग बाय मेट्रो, पता ही नहीं चलता कौन सा स्टेशन आ गया, कौन सा स्टेशन निकल गया. इफ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग बाय कार, पता ही नहीं चलता कि बाहर क्या सीनरी है, बाहर कितनी गाड़ियाँ चली गई. हैज दिस एवर हैपेंड विद यू? आप अपने सोर्स से डेस्टिनेशन भी पहुँच गए, बीइंग कंप्लीटली अनअवेयर ऑफ व्हाट वाज इन द वे. होता है ना. दिस इज बिकॉज हम उस टाइम पे होते ही नहीं है. वी आर लॉस्ट इन अदर टाइम फ्रेम्स जो हमें नहीं करना है. दिस इज वॉट टूडे वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट. वी हैव टू पे अटेंशन टू वॉट इज हैपनिंग इन दिस वेरी मोमेंट. दिस टाइम इज द ओनली थिंग विच वी हैव राइट नाउ. इट इज आवर ट्रेजर. Life is here and now, not in any other time frames. And it is, this moment is transient, it is moving. मैंने बोल दिया, ये moment भी गया. So please understand, it is time which you are never going to get back. You can still change your future if you focus on this moment. So being present in the present moment is the most important thing about mindfulness. आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? आज हम एक्टिविटीज करेंगे ताकि हम अपने कॉन्शियस माइंड को इस मोमेंट में विद इन सेकेंड्स लेकर आए. राइट? फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज अ ब्रीथिंग टेक्निक. बेसिकली आवर ब्रेथ इज अ लाइफ फोर्स व्हिच कीप्स अस अलाइव. The first exercise, we are going to only learn one breathing technique today. This is called as 2-time breathing technique. You can do this anytime, anywhere at your own convenience. आप इसे खड़े होके कर सकते हो, आप इसे लेटे लेटे कर सकते हो, आप इसे खाना खाते हुए कर सकते हो, आप इसे ऑफिस में बैठ के कर सकते हो. आप अगर ट्रैवल कर रहे हो एंड नॉट ड्राइविंग, तो आप इसे बैठे बैठे कर सकते हो. इट इज जस्ट गोइंग टू टेक 30 seconds to 1 minute at the max. आई गेस इतना टाइम तो हम सबके पास होता ही है कि हम 30 seconds और 1 minute अपने खुद के लिए तो निकाल सकते हैं. अग्रीड? सो डू इट विद मी राइट नाउ. सो क्लोज योर आईज. For this particular exercise, since it is called as 2-time breathing, so what we are supposed to do is we are going to inhale it for 2 times, hold it for a moment, and while we are exhaling our breath out, we are going to double the time. Right? So let's begin. Close your eyes, be calm, relax yourself, relax your body. Take a deep breath in and release. take a deep breath in for 2 times, hold and release it for 4 times. Yeah, let's do it again. Take a breath in, deep breath in for 2 times or 2 seconds, hold and release it for 4 times or 4 seconds. Now this time we are going to increase it to 1 more time. So now instead of 2, take a deep breath for 3 times, hold and release it for 6 times. Yes, so this activity can bring you instantaneously to the present moment. अभी के अभी आप इस मोमेंट में आ जाओगे. एंड मजे की बात ये कि आपका सारा का सारा स्ट्रेस will be gone, will be vanished in just these few seconds that you have given to yourself. Right? So this is one technique. Please try this and मुझे बताना कि कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा इसको करके. Second one that we are going to learn today is an observing exercise. Again, a very wonderful exercise to bring your awareness back to the present moment. This technique is actually called as 5 senses exercise. So 5 senses, what are these? So we have eyes to see, we have nose to smell, we have tongue to taste, we have ears to hear, and we have skin to feel, right? उसमें करना क्या है? Just make sure you take some water with you and sit with water. Just relax yourself. You can lie down or you can sit. First thing you have to do is relax your mind, relax yourself, and now open up your 5 senses and see around you. Right? So first thing, you have to make a note of 5 things that you see. It can be anything. You might be seeing your phone, you might be seeing a water bottle or a table or a pen or a glass. So anything, any 5 things, first things that you see, just note it down. Then you have to feel 4 things on your skin. Somewhere it might be itching for you, somewhere you might be feeling a tingling effect, or somewhere you might be feeling some part of your body might be feeling warm, or some part of your body might be feeling cold. So try and feel 4 sensations in your body. Then try and hear 3 noises that is coming in your room or from outside your room. Maybe it is people who are talking, it is your fan is making noise, or try and hear your breath. So try and hear 3 voices from your surroundings. Check the 2 smells, either pleasant or unpleasant smells that you can sense from your environment. Maybe cool breeze of your AC only, or smell of your own body. So try and sense at least 2 smells, right? And lastly, have 1 sip of water and move it around your mouth and feel the taste of it. Yes, please do this activity. This is going to instantaneously bring your awareness to your present environment, and eventually it will help you understand the importance of this moment, which will help you ultimately to make effective use of this moment to better everything in your life. Actually, while I was preparing for this particular week, I just have scribbled down a few words in Hindi just to make you understand the importance of this moment. I'm just going to read it out for you. ये पल बहुत खास है, ये पल ही तो हमारे पास है, इसी पल में हमारा सब है, हमारा पास्ट है, हमारा फ्यूचर है, ये पल हमारी खुशियाँ हैं, ये पल हमारी आस है, ये पल बड़ा ही खास है. I hope you understand the gist of it. I'm just trying to talk about this present moment. So this present is only what we have right now. This present constitutes our past and our future. पास्ट से जो हम सीख कर आए हैं वो हमारा आज का मोमेंट बना रहा है, और इस मोमेंट में जो हम करके जाएंगे उससे हमारा बेटर फ्यूचर निकल के आएगा. ये अगर हम इस मोमेंट को खुशियों से, हैप्पीनेस के साथ गले लगा लें और इस पे इसी वक्त काम करने लग जाएं, so this can work wonders for us. So I hope you got this, guys. So it was really amazing seeing you this week. Thank you so much for being here. For you to become mindful, you have to do a little bit practice of it. Even if you're doing it for a couple of seconds per day, that's enough. You have to make it a part of your life to better your own future. So this is it for this week. I hope to see you next week. अगर आपके पास कोई questions, कोई डाउट्स, कुछ भी आपके माइंड में है, प्लीज़ कमेंट में जाइए और मुझे बताइए. आई वुड लव टू गेट बैक टू यू विद द सॉल्यूशन. अगर आपने मेरी पुरानी वीडियोस नहीं देखी हैं या देखी हैं और उसमें कुछ समझ नहीं आया है तो प्लीज़ मुझे बताइए. आई वुड लव टू हेल्प यू आउट बिकॉज दिस सीरीज, दिस टॉपिक इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. क्यों? नेक्स्ट वीक डिस्कस करते हैं. Bye guys, thank you so much for your time. I love you all. Bye.